off the back side of them. Woof, your stomach would just go, whoa. Awesome, man. This is incredible. Yeah, this boat got just launched.
Good thing we didn't pump up the floor, huh?
Yeah, it was pretty nerve-wracking because, you know, we weren't sure if there's like any big holes, you know, because you just can't see more than like a wave away. You try to look downstream, but then you just see this wall of white water hitting you, so you're like, ah! Kind of hold on and let it take you for a ride.
So how much did you ride upside down?
I flipped in Big Drop 2 in that wave right behind Little Niagara, and then I flipped in the eddy after talking to the Park Service.
How about you?
I actually managed to stay upright.
Yay! The fear. Power paddle, power paddle, power paddle.